Okay, y'all, this is a chili roaster I made. It's an 18-inch around. It is 2 feet wide, and on this door I've seen a lot of people put little latches and everything on there, and they had to take a pin out to open the door. So what I did, I welded the hinges on the bottom, and I just put a piece of flat stock right here on the top of it, and I mounted with some JB weld. That's a N52 rare earth magnet, JB welded on right there, and that's 3/8 of an inch across and 1/8 of an inch thick. And when you close it, this little latch I put on here, that magnet grabs it right there and keeps it closed. It takes quite a bit of pull to open it up, and my door is only 8 inches wide, so your chilies won't be too heavy to and open it up on you. This burner assembly is made out of a piece of 3/4 inch black pipe. Got a regular pipe cap on the end of it, and right in here is a drilled and tapped with a 1/4 tap on each one of these 5, and I screwed in a 035 MIG welding tip into the threaded hole. And these pipes, I believe they're 1.5 inches by 4 inches long. I got me a shut-off valve right here for a quick shut-off. If you open it up, I'm going to light it up with my little torch. Now I got this hooked to a low pressure regulator right now because it was just one I had in the shop already, and I had to order myself a high pressure regulator so it'll shoot the flame out more. But this right here would probably work. It just doesn't shoot the flame as high. Then when you're done roasting your chilies, you can shut the flame off real quick with this valve right here. Just shut it off a lot quicker than turning the valve on this tank right here. That way your chilies that are sitting on that side don't get extra burnt. The expanded metal is 13 gauge, and on the inside here, get this to quit moving, I welded a nut on the inside of here, and I ran a bolt through, and then I double nutted the inside of it so that bolt won't come out. I've done the same thing on both sides. And for this handle, I welded the handle to the head of the nut. It's just a piece of flat steel welded to that bolt, and a wooden handle I had in the shop. That does a real good job. Haven't had a chance to use it yet. Got a lot of chilies in the garden. 18-inch circle, 2 foot wide. You can get a lot of chilies in there.